The Daughters of the American Revolution is founded October 11th, 1890. Founded on October 11th, 1890, the Daughters of the American Revolution, DAR, was established in Washington, D.C., by a group of women who aimed to preserve American history and promote patriotic values. The organization was a response to the growing interest in genealogy and a desire to honor the legacy of those who fought for American independence. Today, the DAR has over 180,000 members across the United States, supporting various initiatives in education, historic preservation, and citizenship. The DAR's historic preservation efforts include restoring historic landmarks, preserving documents, and supporting archival collections. In addition to preserving history, the organization actively promotes education through scholarships and awards for students and educators who exemplify outstanding qualities. It also participates in citizenship programs that encourage civic engagement. The Daughters of the American Revolution continues to play a significant role in keeping American history alive and promoting national pride. What do you think is the most impactful work done by the DAR? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more history insights.